Regular battery maintenance is crucial because a weak or damaged battery can put extra stress on the alternator. Always check and adjust the belt tension. The belt that connects the alternator to the engine should be properly tightened, since a loose belt can lead to alternator inefficiency and premature wear. Cleaning the alternator and battery terminals ensures good connections and avoids charging problems caused by corrosion or dirt. Consistently inspect the alternator and its components to ensure they are free of any damage or wear, especially the pulleys and bearings. Avoid excessive use of electrical devices to reduce the load on the alternator. Routinely check the electrical system in the car, ensuring that all electrical functions are working properly and that there are no leaks that could affect the alternator's performance. If you notice any unusual signs such as strange noises, a burning smell, or charging problems, consult a specialized technician to check the alternator. Use original spare parts when it is necessary to replace the alternator or any of its components to ensure optimal performance and compatibility. To protect the alternator, avoid driving the car in high water, which can cause serious damage if water enters the alternator. Finally, always monitor the car's performance. Any changes, such as delayed electrical response, may indicate a problem with the alternator.